Welcome to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel. Today our topic is 10th chapter, that is mensuration of 10th class. Let us directly go to the exercise problems because you need to by heart all the formulas directly. First question of 10.1 exercise is a joker's cap is in the form of a right circular cone whose base radius is 7 centimeters and height is 24 centimeters. Find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. Now the radius of the cap R is given as 7 centimeters and height of the cap H is given as 24 centimeters. In order to know the sheet required to make a cap, we need to know the lateral surface area. The lateral surface area of the cone formula is pi r L. Here we know the value of R and we should find the value of L now. As this is the right circular cone, slant height of the cap formula, that is L is equal to root of R square plus H square. Let us substitute the values now. R square is 7 square plus H square is 24 square. 7 square is 49 and 24 square is 576. On adding we get it as 625, which is equal to 25 centimeters is the slant height of the cone. Now substituting this value in the lateral surface area formula, pi r L. Pi value is 22 by 7. R value is 7 and L we got it as 25. Cancelling 7 and 7, on multiplying 22 and 25, we get 550 centimeters square is the lateral surface area of one conical cap. Now for 10 such caps, area of the sheet required is 550 into 10, which is equal to 5500 centimeters square. Area of the sheet is required to make 10 such caps. Now the second question is, a sports company was ordered to prepare 100 paper cylinders of packing shuttlecocks. The required dimensions of the cylinder are 35 centimeters length and height and its radius is 7 centimeters. Find the required area of thick paper sheet needed to make 100 cylinders. From the information given in the question, the radius of the cylinder is 7 centimeters. Let the length or height of the cylinder be 35 centimeters. This is the information given in the question. Now the total surface area of the cylinder formula is 2 pi r into r plus h, including the lids of the cylinder. Now substituting the values, 2 into pi value is 22 by 7, r value is 7 into 7 plus 35. Cancelling 7 here, we get 2 into 22 into 35 plus 7 is 42. On multiplication we get 1848 centimeters square. This is the total surface area of the paper sheet required. Now for 100 cylinders, paper required is 100 into 1848. We get this as 1848 00. This is in centimeters square. Now converting this into meters, 1848 00 by 100 into 100. Cancelling zeros, we get 18.48 meters square is the area of the paper required to make 100 cylinders. Third question is, find the volume of the right circular cone with radius 6 centimeters and height 7 centimeters. If you like my explanation, please like, share and subscribe to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel and also press bell icon to get notified. Here radius of base of the cone is given as 6 centimeters and height of the cone is given as 7 centimeters. Now volume of the cone formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now substituting the values, 1 by 3 into 22 by 7, r value is 6 into 6 into h value is 7. Cancelling 7 and 7, 3 2s. We get 44 into 6. On multiplying 44 with 6, we get the value as 264. As this is the volume, the units will be centimeter cube. This is the volume of the right circular cone. Fourth question is, the curved surface area of a cylinder is equal to the curved surface area of a cone. If the radii of their bases are the same, find the ratio of height of the cylinder to the slant height of the cone. Here in the question it is given that the curved surface area of the cylinder is equal to the curved surface area of the cone. Let us first take the radius r and here also r, because the radius is also same in both cylinder and the cone. The height be h here and the slant height be L here. So the curved surface area formula is 2 pi r h and the curved surface area of the cone formula is pi r L. If the radius is same, then as the curved surface area of both is same, we can equate both of this. 2 pi r h is equal to pi r L. Cancelling r, both r are equal. Now 2 pi h is equal to pi L. Pi and pi gets cancelled. 2h is equal to L. h by L is equal to 1 by 2. That is, h is to L ratio is 1 is to 2. H is the height of the cylinder and L is the slant height of the cone. So the ratio becomes 1 is to 2. Fifth question is, a self-help group wants to manufacture Joker's cap of 3 centimeters radius and 4 centimeters height. If the available paper sheet is 1000 centimeters square, then how many caps can be manufactured from that paper sheet? In order to find out how many caps can be made, first we should find the paper area required to make one cap. So we need to find the curved surface area of the one cap. The formula is pi r L. Here it is given that r is equal to 3 centimeters and h is equal to 4 centimeters. So we should find the value of L. L is equal to root of r square plus h square. Substituting the values, we get 9 plus 16. That is root of 25 is 5 centimeters is the slant height of the cone. Now the curved surface area, substituting the values, pi r L, that is 22 by 7 into 3 into 5. We get the value as 47.14 centimeters square. This is the area of the paper required to make one circular cone. Now the number of caps that can be made out of 1000 centimeters square of paper is 1000 by, for one cap it is 47.14 centimeters. This is equal to 21.27. So number of caps is 21 caps. That is 21 caps can be made from 1000 centimeters square of paper. Sixth question is, a cylinder and cone have bases of equal radii and or of equal heights. Show that their volumes are in the ratio of 3:1. Here the radius of the cone is r1 and radius of the cylinder is r2. h1 is the height of the cone and h2 is the height of the cylinder. Here r1 is equal to r2 and h1 is equal to h2 is given. Volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h and also volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Now the ratio of the volumes is 1 by 3 pi r square h is to pi r square h. Here r and r square gets cancelled, h and h gets cancelled, because in both the cases these two are equal. Pi and pi also gets cancelled. 1 by 3 is to 1, that is 1 is to 3 is the ratio of volumes of cone is to cylinder. Seventh question is, the shape of the solid iron rod is cylindrical. Its height is 11 centimeters and base diameter is 7 centimeters. Then find the total volume of the 50 such rods. Here the diameter is given as 7 centimeters. So the radius becomes 7 by 2, that is 3.5 centimeters is the radius of the cylinder. And height of the cylinder is given as 11 centimeters is the height of the cylinder. Now the volume of the cylinder formula is pi r square h. Pi r square h, let us substitute the values. 22 by 7, r is 3.5 into 3.5 into 11. 3.5 ones, 2s, 2 11s. So 11 into 11 is 121 into 3.5. On multiplication, we get 423.5 centimeter cube is the volume of one cylinder. Now we got the volume of one rod. Now total volume of 50 such rods is 50 into 423.5. On calculating, we get 21175 centimeter cube. This is the total volume of 50 such rods. Eighth question is, a heap of rice is in the form of a cone of diameter 12 meters and height 8 meters. Find its volume. How much canvas cloth is required to cover the heap? In this question, we should take pi is equal to 3.14. Here the diameter of the heap is given as 12 meters. From this, r is equal to d by 2. That is 6 meters is the radius of the conical heap. Now the volume of the conical heap formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Substituting the values, 1 by 3 into 3.14 into 6 into 6 into h value is 8 once and 2 times, which is equal to 3.14 into 12 8s are 96. On multiplication, we get the value as 301.71 meter cube is the volume of the heap. Now the canvas cloth required to cover the heap is the curved surface area pi r L. We know r is equal to 6 and h is equal to 8. L is equal to root of 6 square plus 8 square. That is root of 100. Root 100 value is 10 centimeters. Sorry, 10 meters. Now substituting the values in this formula, 3.14 into 6 into L is 10. So 31.4 into 6. On multiplication, we get 188.4 meters square is the curved surface area, that is 188.4 meters square of the canvas cloth is required. Ninth question is the curved surface area of the cone is 4070 centimeters square and the diameter of the base is given as 70 centimeters. What is the slant height? D is equal to 70 is given. So R is equal to D by 2, that is equal to 35 centimeters is the radius of the cone. Now pi R L is equal to 4070. Pi value is 22 by 7, R value is 35. We should find the value of L. So 4070. 7 5s is 35. 5 8s are 40. 5 1s is 5, 6 7, 2 is the remainder. 5 4s are 20. So 22 L is equal to 814. L is equal to 814 by 22. On cancellation, we get L value as 37. So the slant height L is equal to 37 centimeters. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel.